So for these two problems, I'd like you to try these on your own. Numbers 9 and 10. We'll stop there for today. But for numbers 9 and 10, I want you to go ahead and try them on your own. Pause the video, and I'm going to go ahead and keep going. Step number 1, we're trying to figure out 27 raised to some power is equal to 81. So we'll rewrite that. 27 raised to some power is equal to 81. And now we have to solve for the power. So the key here is recognizing that 27 and 81 are both powers of 3. So we're going to rewrite those numbers as powers of 3. So 27 is 3 cubed, 81 is 3 to the 4th. And remember, power to a power, just like in the last video, we multiply the powers together. And then we notice here that we have two bases on either side of the equal sign. The bases are exactly the same. If the bases are exactly the same, we say therefore the exponents have to be exactly the same. And when we divide both sides by 3, let's move that back up here, we get x equals 4/3. And again, just like the other problems, therefore the log base 27 of 81 is equal to 4/3, because 27 to the 4/3 equals 81. Now that's not an obvious one, but you did the math, you didn't make mistakes, and you figured out how to evaluate that expression. You simplified the expression log base 27 of 81. And then finally, for number 10, we're trying to figure out what do we raise 4 to get to 1 over 32. And so let's start the work right here. 4 to the x power is equal to 1 over 32. And then we notice that 4 and 1 over 32 can both be written as powers of 2. So we're going to rewrite 4 as 2 squared. And 32, we're going to write that as 2 to the negative 5. So maybe a little bit of extra work there might help. 32 is 2 to the 5th, so 1 over 32 is 1 over 2 to the 5th. And if we want to bring that 2 to the 5th up to the numerator, we have to make the exponent negative. So 1 over 2 to the 5th is the same as 2 to the negative 5. And then let's bring it back over here. We're going to multiply the powers together. We have 2 to the 2x on the left side, and on the right side we keep that as 2 to the negative 5. And then, again, since the bases are the same, we say the exponents have to be the same. So therefore, 2x equals negative 5. And when we divide both sides by 2, we get x is equal to negative 5 halves. And therefore, the log base 4 of 1 over 32 is equal to negative 5 halves. And that's it. There are a few more parts to your homework tonight, so don't forget those. There's a couple papers that you have to print out and bring in tomorrow. We'll see you then.